Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unsubscribe from Course Hero. Whether you are warping up your study or just cutting back on subscriptions, I'm here to help you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First step, logging in. First things first, you will need to log in to your Course Hero account. Head over to coursehero.com and enter your login credentials. Once you are in, you are ready to move on to the next step. Now, step 2, navigating to account settings. Next, look for your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From here, select account settings. This is where you can manage your subscription. Step 3, managing your subscription. On the account settings page, scroll down to find the memberships or subscription section. This is where you will see details about your current subscriptions. Step 4 is unsubscribing. Under the subscription details, you should see an option that says stop subscription or something similar. Click on this button to proceed with the cancellation. Head over to step 5, confirming cancellations. After clicking stop subscription, a confirmation window will pop up. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellations. Make sure you read any prompts carefully, as Course Hero might offer you some alternative or ask for feedbacks. Advantage of any remaining time: if you ever decided to rejoin, you can always sign up again. Final tips. As a quick tip, always double check your email for any confirmation of cancellation to ensure everything is processed correctly. Also keep an eye on your bank statements to make sure no further charges occur. And that's it. You have successfully unsubscribed from Course Hero. Remember, you will still have access to your account until the end of your current billing cycle. So take advantage of any remaining time. If you ever decided to rejoin, you can always sign up again. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video.